How to use keyboard shortcuts in Kdenlive. First of all, open Kdenlive and go to the settings menu at the top. Then click on Configure Keyboard Shortcuts. Here you will see a list of all available keyboard shortcuts organized by categories like editing, navigation, and playback. You can search for specific actions using the search bar to find shortcuts quickly. To customize the shortcut, click on the action and press the keys you want to assign. This way, you can tailor Kdenlive's control to your editing style. Using shortcuts like cut, copy, paste, ripple delete, and play and pause will save you a lot of time compared to using menus with a mouse. Some common shortcuts include spacebar for play and pause, Ctrl+Z for undo, and Ctrl+S to save your project quickly. Make sure to practice these shortcuts regularly to improve your editing speed and efficiency. And that's it. Now you know how to use keyboard shortcuts in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.